Once Martin Luther King said, "A right delayed is right denied." Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is human rights. Friends, International Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th of December. And on this day, in 1948, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And the objective of Human Rights Day are to promote equality, freedom, peace, justice, and to protect the human dignity. Human rights are the rights that inherent to human beings of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, culture, and other status. Human rights include the freedom of expression and freedom from slavery, right to education and work. Friends, if we talk about the international convention and international bodies, then first is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It gives the 30 freedom and rights include civil as well as political rights. Friends, if we talk about some other convention like 1948, the Convention of Punishment Against the Crime of Genocide, 1965, the Convention on Racial Discrimination, 1979, the Convention on Discrimination of Women, 1989, the Convention on Rights of Child, and last, the Convention on right to person with disability in 2006. There is also an international body, that is International Human Rights Council, that is a intergovernmental body of United Nations, and it is made of 47 member states, and it protects the human rights across all over the world. Friends, if we talk about the human rights in India, then Indian Constitution gives fundamental rights from Article 12 to 35 and directive principle of state policies from Article 36 to Article 51. If we talk about the fundamental rights, it gives the freedom of speech, freedom of equality, right to education, right to life, religion and culture, and etc. And if we talk about the directive principle of state policies, it provides the right to equal pay for equal work, right to work, right to free education, right to social security, etc. If we, friends, in India, there is also Act named Protection of Human Rights, and it constitutes a National Human Rights Commission at union level. If we talk about some government initiative related to human rights, like for poor, Jan Dhan accounts, for women, triple talaq, for disability people, one scheme related to disability person, national scheme, and for child, there is also PM Cares for the child scheme. Friends, in my conclusion, human rights are the essential rights for the development of human beings, and the country like China, North Korea, Pakistan, Middle East country, and somehow India need to give more freedom to their citizens. And for India, we need to improve the rankings on international human rights ranking, where we stand at 150 out of 180, and that shows that in India there is a lack of human rights, and we need to provide the human rights to all the people, and so that we can also on the list to United Nations and European countries. Thank you.